Everybody makes mistakes.
Scene 1, take 37. Action!
Well, hello there. Have you ever wondered how a microwave works? Well, come to the kitchen, I'll show you. Well, when you turn on a microwave, water molecules start to vibrate together at a certain frequency of the electromagnetic spectrum. And then you come. Wait, do you hear that? Wait, it's coming from outside. It's coming from outside.
Oh no. Microwaves are so quick because water molecules absorb radiation. This causes the food to heat up. There are different types of microwave. One is a countertop. It's very popular and affordable and sits on top of your countertop.
Wait, I still hear something. Hurrah!
The next microwave is an overrange microwave. Believe it or not, overrange microwaves sit on the wall. It requires professional installation. And it's powerful, like me. Take that, Roman. Besides that, it has fans built in. Microwaves versus ovens. Now that's one hot topic. Ovens heat the air, and it transfers to the food slower than microwaves when they heat water molecules, which gets to the food faster. I'm Barack Obama, and I approve this message. You know what? I'm hungry. Let's go get something to eat.
Thanks for watching I Cook in a Microwave. Let's go hunting.
I am your father.
And remember, America, yes, we can.
Well, when you turn on a microwave, water molecules start to vibrate together at a frequency and
Thanks for watching I Cook in a Microwave. Let's go hunting.
I am your father.
Remember, America, yes, we can.
Wait, can we redo that?
Why? Thanks for watching I Cook in a Microwave. Let's go hunting.